back to another video. I'm going to try and make this one kind of quick just because I really don't feel good, but I really want to make this video too. But I have a new part for this car. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So we have a shifter boot here, and then a original Ford Boss 302 tip knob. Just show you that. This thing's pretty cool. One-handed sucks. So yeah, it's gonna be freaking sweet. Alright, I'll show you how to take this out real quick. The lighting's probably gonna suck, but basically you pull up on this and then you can pop all this stuff out. You wanna take this off too while you do it. Oh man, I hope this is just allergies and I'm not actually sick. I've been having to make several trips to the hospital lately for personal stuff, and I really don't want to get sick. I don't have time for that. There we go. There's one, two, there we go. You'll see these tabs right here, and you want to pop those off as careful as you can without breaking them. Hopefully I don't break these, because it's going to suck if I do. Which, I'm going to do this off camera because I need to take my time with this. And I'll get back to you when this is, done. It off, it's kind of a pain in the ass. You have to have like a screwdriver or something to pop it off. Especially when you get to this corner one. It sucked, but this corner one. Absolute worst. I'm going to pop the new one on, and then I'll throw the thing back in, and we'll be good to go. Also, it is labeled which one is for the front and which one is not. Looks just like the OEM one, aside from that collar on it. Ah, hitting stuff with it. It's no good. Now we just got to put it back together. You want to start from the front when you reinstall this, by the way. You should have a handful of clips. Pop them in there. That's all you got to do. You take your new knob. Put it on there. This feels way better than this thing. It's a lot lighter though. So much better. I'll put a link down in the description for you guys, that way you guys can pick it up. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys like this shift knob. We got a car show coming up for the next video, I believe, or the video after that, but we'll see. We got a couple things we're doing. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. See ya.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living on mine, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that.
not what you're
stab in my
wearing.
back that will knock me off track. No, no. Too many things have been building, been hard to deal with. I've just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control, but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get moving. I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call. I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining. Getting close and I just been examining all the fake shit the game has been packaging.
We should make him think we're filming his flyby and just like talk the whole time to the camera.
Here it comes. Do you hear it?
Wow.